SQL Server 2012 Pro. This is my new book, Programming, Database Design, Business Intelligence. It is available on Amazon.com and in your local bookstore. This is the new World Trade Center 1. It will be completed in 2013, this year. This image was finished by artists because as of now it is not completed yet. I used to work on the 96th floor on World Trade Center North, which is a little bit over here in location from the new World Trade Center Tower. Let's consider OLAP Cube browsing in SQL Server Data Tools, SSDT, File, Recent Projects. So this is the SSAS OLAP Cube project loaded. Let's enter the browser. So we have to drag levels or measures here to add to the query. So let's drag measures first. We drill down on measures, we select reseller sales, and in reseller sales we drag in sales amount. Let's do filtering. We select a dimension and the dimension is the product. Hierarchy is category. The operator is equal and the filter expression is bikes. Let's see how the figure is changing. This is 80 million. Okay. And the figure repainted for 66 million because we are filtering for specific product category, which is bikes. Let's resize the windows so we can see it better. And so these were measures, and these are measures in the data warehouse corresponds to the fact tables. And these are the dimensions. So these are dimension tables. So for example, from date, let's pick fiscal year and drag it in. So immediately we see the data redistributed by year. So this is 15 million, 22 million, 28 millions. Let's find another dimension for dragging in. Thus, we get more details in analyzing the data. And country appears to be a good dimension. So we can drag it in. We can drop a country here, or we can drop it here. So let's drop it after the fiscal year. So the data repainted, redistributed immediately. The analysis right now is by fiscal year, by country. Now, if we want to reposition the country, we can do so. And now the country is the highest category level. And when there is fiscal year. We can change the language. Well, we can only change the language if the dimension tables support multiple languages, so it requires preparation. This is not automatic. For example, Spanish, Spain, and execute the query again, and now we see that some of the labels change to Spanish, Estados Unidos, United States, Reino Unido, United Kingdom, Alemania, Germany, Francia, France, and we see the Producto, Categoria, but the bikes didn't change. It may be the Spanish word for it anyhow. In summary, SSDT SQL Server Data Tools in the SSAS OLAP Cube design mode has a browser where we can test the cube while we are developing it with for measures and also with dimensional analysis. Filter facility is there as well. Basically, all features of the cube under design can be tested. It is important to know that this is not how the clients of the cube going to see the cube. They are going to see it differently. It depends on the client software. For example, one client software is Excel, pivot tables, or pivot charts. So if that's being used, the cube, as to say, looks different, but the data and the divisions and the measures and the dimension structure, the hierarchies are the same, but the presentation may be different. This is the end of a short demo.